Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about react.js. So as a disclaimer, I'm a graduate of my program, so this is not an assignment. This is just my video as study notes. And to start with, there's an app that I'm writing, and this is on something like this. So the working screen is like this. And I can see my movie that I put in my about page. And exactly, I'm talking about parsing error. So here we start with parsing error cannot find module next slash babel. And the truth is, it actually doesn't matter because what happens here is when I try to find solutions, there are solutions like this. So on Stack Overflow and elsewhere, we can find something like this. So the error was like this. Cannot find module next slash babel require stack. Somebody came up with this. In .eslintrc, you replace the existing code with this. And you also create an extra file called .babelrc and use this preset next slash babel. So what happens is, yeah, you can in fact do it like this, and as well as babel the babelrc. But the thing is, you don't need to do this. So say just now it says next.babel. So what happens is I can just try to run build error eslint failed to load config next slash babel to extend from. But really, it still builds, so it doesn't matter really because there's nothing to load from, right? You already have next slash babel here, so I can just do this. And to check the package JSON, I also have prettier, but this is extra. If you put prettier here, it's just gonna tell you you have something extra going on. Sorry. Let's run build again. Fails to load config prettier to extend from. This is the same thing, really. But does it matter? It doesn't matter. I do want to stay careful, but the thing is, it doesn't matter at all. So if we go back to babelrc, it's the same here, right? And another source, this guy says parsing error cannot find module next slash babel. It's the same thing, right? I got prettier here, but really it doesn't matter really. And it runs okay. I mean, just that since I run locally, so I need to run locally again. Run dev. So run dev, and then on local 3000, I can go back to my local version. Okay, and I click about. So here we go, it's the same screen. And because it's local, so I'm not reading from the cyclic app that I do have. So it doesn't really matter because this is local. If I'm online again, I can access my own cyclic app, which is this one. This is just an example. It is a working one, except that we need to take care of the errors here. So just to read my prior log, so I just show this on screen already. So really, as soon as you see generating static pages, you're already fine. And one more thing, that is, back to this page, I had another error. If you do this in accordion item for movie ID, if you add quotes, so what happens is you will have something like this. You'll end up opening all the films, and that's not what you want. So just don't do this. So I've presented to you two problems, and this is my notes for today.